What's up mga katripulans? It's me, Kap Miko once again. At andito na naman po tayo para sa isa na namang makabuluhan na vlog. Pag-usapan naman natin ngayon ang tatlong importanteng katangian ng isang leader. Number 1, humility. Admitting mistakes, apologizing when wrong, and you have to learn how to acknowledge other people's strengths and achievements. You need also to offer a helping hand to each others without expecting a praise. You have to learn to say thank you for the help that you have received, and you have to inspire, motivate, and influence the people. Number 2, empathy. It is the ability to understand and share the feelings of one another. You have to make them feel that sometimes it is safe to disagree, and you have to set an environment focused on growth and not an environment focused on control. Number 3, you have to remember, once you have accepted the call to leadership, you must be willing to be misunderstood, criticized, opposed, accused, and even rejected. So ayan mga katripulans, ang tatlong katangian na kailangan mo bilang isang leader. Again, this is Kap Miko. Sana po ay may natutunan na naman po tayong bago dito sa vlog na ito, at magkita-kita na naman po tayo sa susunod pa nating vlog. God bless, safe seas always, and peace.